Alright, for some reason my other video stopped playing. After I pressed pause, I tried to bring it back, didn't want to. Okay, after inserting this part, this aftermarket, not original, well, this is original, but I don't know. Either way, after installing it like this, you're gonna give it a good adjustment on this section. Hold up, let me get right there, right here. Okay, I'm gonna adjust it so we can be able to get this self-propel bar to engage correctly. Okay, that should be done. Now, before anything, all right, part number if you're interested for the future. That's what it is. Where did I get it from? Amazon. I got that little part already fixed up right there. Now I'm gonna do the zip ties what it came with.